Alright guys, welcome back to Deep South Bayou Diesel. This is just a quick little update video. You know, for those that don't know, I had an emergency come up last night. My brakes on the driver's side locked up on me. ABS system threw a code and my rotors were hot. I mean, extremely hot. Hot enough to cook an egg on. I drove to work today, came back. You know, I was actually off work for a little bit. I was at the house. My wife actually helped me tighten up the brakes, get the air out of them. So what it was is it was just a little bit of air in these brakes right here on the driver's side, since they're brand new. But they did not want to get the air out. So I guess it was just that pocket of air that just would not do anything. So we're not even going to go all the way down here. I mean, the brakes work phenomenally, flawlessly. Yesterday I tested just to make sure the truck will stop. It did. And then, of course, on my way to work today, the brake pedal traveled all the way to the floor. Your brakes are not supposed to travel all the way to the floor, but it did. But as of right now, I don't have any extreme vibration issues. Everything's working as it should. As you can see, the truck is slowly slowing down instead of like I'm holding the brake, because again, my caliper isn't binding up, which is what happened yesterday. So I've got the driver's side one done with a lifetime warranty. I will probably get the passenger side one replaced maybe sometime next month. Just so I know I have the two fronts done. And I tried to bleed the rear brake, and that nipple is kind of eroded a little bit, so I don't want to damage it. Yeah, the brake pedal is no longer going to the floor, so brakes are working great. But yeah, like I said, I didn't want to undo it and then, you know, either it break off while I'm trying to undo it, or it strips and then I try and put it back on and it won't go back on. But yep, that's it guys. I'm not gonna sit here and yammer on about work or anything like that. Work was just work. I mean, everyone was ready to go home. No one wanted to be there because it was a Friday. I mean, that's just your typical job anywhere, unless you just love what you do. I'm not a concrete guy. I just happen to be in concrete. Now, if I were welding or automotive repair, no, I wouldn't have wanted to leave. That's what I love doing, but I'm not certified in any of those things, and most companies nowadays don't want to hire someone just because they have experience. They want you to be able to have certifications, which is understandable. You know, it's just the company's way of covering their butts these days. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. More to come later, Gators.
Finding out what country really means, from the bright city lights to the small town scenes, they're all chasing cars.